Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a birthday card using my Distress oxide inks. I just blending the yellow is a fossilite amber to my cardstock, and then I'm going to do some splashes with pink raspberry, salty ocean. I think I'm saying the numbers right. Yeah, fossilized amber, pink raspberry, salty ocean. After the splashes, I'm going to die cut cake, and I'm going to use my Distress oxide also to color the cake in warm lipstick. I also cut the decoration of the cake, and I colored some of them in the spice marmalade, but some of them I leave it in white. I'm going to glue the cake, and I'm going to start adding pearls, jewels, to finish the decoration of to completing the decoration of the cake. I also going to glue some candles that I previously made with I cut them with a punch cut, and I color with the same colors with my Distress oxide, and how do you call this? I add with my white gel pen some details in the candles. The first line I glue it straight to the paper, and the second line of the candles I glue it with foam tape. I also cut this celebrate with my die cut, and I'm going to color the confetti the same way I did with the rest of the scenes in the card using my Distress oxide. After that, I'm going to start placing the confetti around the card. I will glue this to my card panel. I cut this scallop frame, and I color it with my Distress oxide in the same color that I color the cake, and I'm going to glue it to the little part that's going out of the card panel, because that way the frame doesn't get like deformed. And I'm going to glue all this to my card base. After that, I'm going to add Winkostella to the confetti and the letters. And this is my card for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Until next card. Goodbye.